Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name's Tony. I'm the owner of Homeowner Repair. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper blade in your Ford Expedition. This should be the same procedure if you have an 07 to a 17 Ford Expedition. Didn't do a whole lot of two-structs to change them throughout the years. So this procedure should apply to your vehicle as well. And yeah, I know I have a Jeep shirt on, I get it, but I own a Jeep too. So you can't rely on the Jeep, so you have to have a Ford for backup, right? My Jeep's an AMC Jeep, so it's American Motors, it's everything under the sun. So it's Ford, Chevy, Chrysler, you name it, it's in that Jeep. But anyway, let's get rolling on this thing, and I'll show you how to replace the wiper blade. But remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you, or one of the subscribers on the channel will. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot of great content coming out. You don't want to miss anything. Let's go. So what you want to do is you want to come over to the wiper arm and kind of pry it back away from the rear window. Then you're going to tip the blade out like that, and it'll snap out of position. And you can remove it like that, and you'll see inside that there's a little pin. And that little pin goes right in the wiper like in the notch of the wiper arm right there. So this one is fine. I don't actually need to replace it. Just wanted to show you how it was done. So when you put the new one on, put it on like that, and you'll just press it on. You should hear it snap into place. Hold the wiper arm and kind of let it rest against the window of your Expedition. That's all there is to it. It looks a little more complicated than it is because it's hard to see how this is all molded in, so you might look at it and say, how the heck does this come apart? So it really is that easy. It's a quick, simple repair. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you have a comment, leave a comment on the video and I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching.